question, and there this meeting of both the prime minister, everything was going on at the part. Slowly, this area they started and occupied all the posts here. When our army was behind, retreating there, they make use of that. And then कुछ जो शेफर्ड्स होते हैं, जब शेफर्ड लोग उधर गए, हमारे साइड के जो शेफर्ड्स हैं, जब वो उधर गए तो देखे कि अरे वहाँ तो वो लोग ऑक्युपाई किया हुआ है. जब इंडियन आर्मी को खबर पहुंची कि वो जितने पोस्ट थे इंडियन आर्मी के, जो बैड वेदर इंडियन आर्मी पीछे हो चुका है, जब गडेरिए और जो शेफर्ड्स जो गए उधर, जो बकरवाल वगैरह इस टाइप के होते हैं, जो होते, जब वो गए तो उन्होंने देखा अरे वहाँ तो आ चुका है वहाँ पर. जब जाके आर्मी को खबर मिली तो फिर देन आर्मी केम इनटू एक्शन इन द कारगिल Dras sector and all this. So that's what you find here. So here, all this you see. Siachen Glacier is here. Saksham, now another one. This is called Saksham Valley, where we have a K2. You know K2. K2 is here. K2 is the, see, this is the LOC, where the Pakistan has occupied the Kashmir. There is a Saksham Valley. And here you have a one very important mountain called K2, Godwin Austen. And then you can see here, this is the Siachen Glacier, right? Kargil is here, right? Azad Kashmir, what is called POK comes here, Karakoram range. Here you have the Aksai Chin and all this part, and then Jammu and Kashmir there. So now if you see Aksai Chin, administered by China, claimed by India. Saksham Valley, administered by China. Saksham Valley again, China is occupying, claimed by India. Azad Kashmir, Pakistan administration, claimed by India. Northern areas, Pakistan has occupied, claimed by India. Siachen Glacier, administered by India, but claimed by Pakistan. Operation Meghdut, last video I have said, Operation Meghdut, we claimed that Siachen Glacier from Pakistan. So Pakistan claimed that Siachen, but we have occupied it. This is part of Jammu and Kashmir, India part. And this is Aksai Chin. This is LAC, line of actual control. This is a part of Aksai Chin. This is the Karakoram Pass. This is the Karakoram Pass. Right? And here you have a Xinjiang, this side is Xinjiang province of China. Aksai Chin is there. Map, see, geography becomes very important here. Whenever you talk about wars and conflict, you should know the boundaries, you should know the geography. That becomes very, very important. So ultimately, we have to fight. And what happened during this time? When the Kargil war here, so what happened in this case here, July 1999, Indian Army won the war. Now one another thing, America denied GPS service to India. Russia again, backtrack. We had no navigation services. See, we had missiles, we had Prithvi, Nag, right? Missiles were there. We had rockets, missiles, we had fighter jet, MiG, Sukhoi, Mirage. We could have easily used Air Force fighter jet and we could have bombed those kind of targets, those posts. But our GPS, global positioning system, our GPS system were inoperational. That showed our vulnerability, our dependence on other countries for GPS of our military, for our military service, for our intelligence service, the GPS which we are taking of other countries, that showed our dependence on those countries and their vulnerability part of it. Whenever there will be war and conflict, America किसी का नहीं है. US is no one's. Right? The war game, geopolitics. America always look its own interest. अपना वो फायदा देखता है. War में हमेशा याद रखना है, war conflict में हमेशा countries see their own kind of interest. So what happened? We had missiles. वो लोग ऊपर थे ना, they all occupied there. We had rocket missile, we should have fired missiles. खत्म. We have missiles with us. DRDO has developed all missiles, everything. Even we had fighter jets, we could have gone and bombed there. But GPS was not there. Because we have been using GPS services of America, USA for a military purpose. And America denied our GPS services. तो हमारे पास एक ही रास्ता था कि हमें आर्मी को एक ही रास्ता था कि हमें ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ता कि ऊपर चढ़ के जाके फिर वो पोस्ट को वहां खाली करना था. That was only way out for India. And that time we used Bofors. What we used? Bofors gun. The long barrel howitzer gun, Bofors gun, to fire uphill. And then our troops to go up and kill those infiltrators and get the post. And in that case, those people, these infiltrators who were above in the post, they were able to see our troops, our movement of troops and everything, and they were used to fire it. Direct firing on the troops. They were able to see them. Right? And reach that. And again, difficult terrain, mountainous, with all weapons and everything to go up, with weapons and to go up, very, very challenging, very difficult. Even some of the posts on the highway, they were able to do that. फिल्में बन चुकी है, कारगिल वॉर पे फिल्म बन चुकी है. You have seen that movie on Kargil, right? Even you know Farhan Akhtar's movie, Hrithik Roshan movie. All these